Hello everyone and welcome back to Prodigal Overland. My name is Brad. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of a brand new off-road bumper that's actually not yet officially released from our friends Chief Products. So they sent us this bumper. So today I've got a big box. I haven't opened it yet. We're going to open it. We're going to look at it. We're going to take you online to their website and show you some of these, what they look like installed. So you'll be able to see that, and we're just going to kind of take a look-see. I'm still waiting on a couple parts from Chief Products that are actually being shipped from Australia, so I can't yet install this. So in this video, we're just going to pop this thing, look at it, give you guys a sneak peek, and then if you're not yet a subscriber, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified of new videos so that when we get all our parts in, we can show you that install and you guys can check it out for yourself. So stick around, see what's coming next, drop a comment below on what you think of this bumper, and let's get going. Alright, so let's head over to their website. If you are looking for the bumper online, you have to be under the Australian website version, and there it is, the off-road bumper. Not yet released as of the making of this video. There's several different models of it. There's kind of that base form factor that I have here. I'll show you later in this video, and then there's lots of upgrades that you can add to it. As you can see here on the side column, we've got extra kits you can add on for the adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, that kind of thing. And then let's go in here, I'll blow these up here in just a second, but you can see the different styles. This is the Stealth version, all black. Before that was the Apex. I think this is the Tactical. Some of the coloring changes a little bit there in the center. Overland Edition. And so it seems to me there's bare bones where things are, you've lost that mounting bar up top, bar only. So there's different kind of levels that you can get with this. But overall, I mean, look at this finish here. I mean, it's just incredible how it integrates with the bumper. Like I said, super sleek here, maintaining a good approach angle. I mean, I can't get over kind of the looks of this bumper and how well it conforms to the stock bumper, and just seems to perfectly kind of integrate from it. So if you guys have been following us a while, you know that we've been big fans of Chief Products. They're one of our sponsors. They help provide some of this gear, but we run their stuff hard, and it's beat up, but it's always held up. We've never had it break, malfunction, not do what it was supposed to do. So I mean, they make excellent quality stuff, and so again, we're super pumped to be able to run this bumper. But let's head over, unbox this thing, see what we got. So here it is, guys. There's the box. WK2 off-road bumper. WK2 off-road bumper. It says Nomad Grill. When I look on their website, I can't find Nomad Grill. So I'm kind of curious what that'll look like. So let me get something to open this, and we will see what's inside. So here you guys go. I mean, the bumper itself looks very well wrapped. They always give you a nice little shop rag. WK2 off-road bumper. It's got different compartments for the different pieces that come with it. I will say I see some bolts running loose here out of a bag. This has happened before to me, where by the time it gets to me, a bag's split open. So hopefully we have all the hardware. There's some washers, lock washers here that ran loose. But other than that, everything seems pretty well packaged. So let me, yeah, let's open this up, see what it looks like. So I just flipped it over and opened it up from the back. It did come very well wrapped. At least on the back, I don't see any scratches. So we're gonna turn this thing around, see what it looks like from the front. Okay, so here we go. I got Caleb holding it for me. I'm being so nice to him right now. He's very happy with me, I'm sure. Trying to get a good angle here. All right, so this is as if we were looking at the front of the Grand Cherokee. Up top, you've got your hidden winch mount. There'll be a fair lead that'll go there. The center section, if you remember those pictures I showed you earlier, there's different inserts that can go there. And then obviously this is the bottom and should mount up, hopefully with our sump plate protection. One of the things I really appreciate about Chief is how sleek they're able to design things. I mean, their stuff integrates almost like it was designed straight from Mopar. And yet you still have the strength and protection. So I'm super pumped about this and being able to install this. We're still waiting on a few pieces. We need to get, I guess, a new bracket for a hidden winch mount, and then the inserts that come in here. Also, there's adaptive cruise control brackets, and also even parking sensors. And then I think there's a light bar mount up top too. But this is just kind of the basic bumper. Wanted to show you guys, to try to get a close-up of this finishing here and the powder coating. I mean, it's just top quality. Don't mind the fingerprints from us moving it, but oh my gosh, no scratches in this. It came super well shipped. So there you have it, guys. That is the Chief Products off-road bumper. Like I said, we were waiting for a few more parts to get in, but I wanted to kind of show you guys just an initial unboxing of the main component. There'll be some other stuff coming in that we're gonna work to install. So look for an install video coming in the future, but there's your first look. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not yet a subscriber, consider hitting that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and we will see you guys again real soon.